Tired of boring text in your designs? Let's dive into how to blend an image into your writing in Adobe Photoshop, creating a stunning visual effect in just a few steps. First, select the text tool from the toolbar and click on your canvas to start typing. Choose your text font, size, and color. Type whatever word or phrase that you want to use. Next, click on the Move tool and center your text on the canvas. Now, find an image you want to use as your texture and bring it into your project. Drag the image into your Photoshop document and place it directly above your text layer in the Layers panel. Position it however you like, covering your text. The magic happens next. In your Layers panel, right-click on the image layer, look for the option Create Clipping Mask and click it. Boom! The image is now perfectly contained within the text. You can reposition the image inside the text by selecting the image layer and moving it around to find the perfect composition. And that's it. You've successfully blended an image into your text. Now go create some eye-catching designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Photoshop tutorials.